the controller. Here we can adjust take this and connect with other devices. Now let's charge the device Bluetooth. Let's connect the Bluetooth. Connect. We have Bluetooth speaker mode. We can swap into headphone mode as well. If you want to swap, we can turn these ear cups like this. Now it is in headphone mode. Let's turn to other side.
Brush up on some basic etiquette.
Now it is in Bluetooth speaker mode. Swapping to Bluetooth. So it's quickly you can turn to Bluetooth speaker mode and headphone mode. So that is the beauty of this device.